If you are tired of every smartphone looking and feeling the exact same, this is the upgrade you have been waiting for. Meet the Nothing Phone, engineered to stand out from the crowd. On the back, the iconic Glyph Interface transforms how you interact with your device, using customizable light patterns for notifications, timers, and battery status so you can spend less time glued to your screen. Flip it over, and you are greeted by a breathtaking, ultra-smooth OLED display with dynamic refresh rates that make gaming, streaming, and daily multitasking feel effortless. Under the hood, it is powered by a blazingly fast Snapdragon processor paired with the clean, bloatware-free Nothing OS, delivering flagship speed with zero lag. Add in Pro-grade 50-megapixel cameras with advanced optical stabilization and all-day battery life with rapid charging, and you have the complete flagship package at an unbeatable value. Ready to elevate your everyday tech? Click the direct Amazon product link in the video description right now to lock in the latest discounts before stock runs out.